Today I'm going to show you how to use fractions on the number line. Okay, so I've already drawn a number line here for you. And my number line starts at 0 and ends at 1. And so when I'm teaching this to the students in 3rd grade, what I like to say to them is that fractions live in between the numbers 0 and 1. Now obviously if you got mixed numbers like 1 and 1/2 or 1 and 3/4, they're going to live in between 0 and 2, but for this example that I'm giving you today, we're just going to talk about how the fractions live between 0 and 1. So one of the ways that we can do this is we talk about, on the number line, even throughout the school year, we talk about the midpoint. And so when we're thinking about fractions, our midpoint would come right about there. And the reason we use the number line is because it gives kids a good visual for what fractions look like and where they would be and what their value is. And we know that the midpoint between 0 and 1 would be 1/2. Okay? And then so here between 0 and 1/2 would be 1/4. And between 1/2 and 1 would be 3/4. Now, a lot of students, when they see this, they might, when they're first learning about fractions, get confused about how the denominator here is a 2 and that these other two denominators are 4. Another way that we can explain this to the students would be that, okay, so 1/2, another name for 1/2, is 2/4. So this is how I would show fractions on the number line.